Hello and welcome to the Rashmi's classes. Today we'll discuss on introduction of 5G NR, new radio or next gen radio. So let's get started. The introduction of 5G mobile networks opens a wide range of business opportunities and use cases. It provides the operators the opportunity to tap into the revenue streams emerging from the digitization of industries. On the other hand, 5G is designed to address the wide range of needs of vertical industries, e.g., energy, health, smart city, connected cars, industrial manufacturing, etc. There is the high-level list of 5G major use cases along with service categorization. Enhanced mobile broadband services, eMBB services. Massive machine-type communications, mMTC services. Ultra-reliable low-latency communications, uRLLC services. The detailed KPIs and specifications related to eMBB, uRLLC and mMTC services are: to deliver the above defined use cases and meet customer demands, 5G new radio, NR, needs to have greater flexibility and scalability. Hence the planning and optimization of the 5G radio device system become more important when compared to the previous generation network. With every change in technology, the complication related to planning and optimization also increases along with demands to meet the requirements and form the right balance between the cost efficiency and interworking with legacy networks. 5G introduced the concept of network slicing that addresses the deployment of multiple logical networks as an independent business operations on a common physical infrastructure to provide network slices as a service. These address a wide range of use cases for the different industries that add more complexities to network planning and optimization. Therefore, accurate and cost-efficient network planning plays a major role in network deployment along with the right optimization channels. In this white paper, we aim to address the challenges and solutions for better radio access network planning and optimization. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe his channel.